Hey everyone, so we are currently in a place called
the
Llamas Playground, and we are going to go and do a self-ride little boat, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we'll take you along with us for the journey, and it is Kayleigh's birthday, so down in the comment section just wish her a happy birthday. Cool. Cheers, cheers.
Hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
So I don't think I was clear in my last explanation of where we're going. So we are going to do a self-drive boat at a little company called the Little Green Boat Company, and it's down the River Thames. So yeah, that's it. Cool.
Just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
To drive. It's got a little lever here, obviously forward, reverse and neutral, and a really giant steering wheel with a lot of play on it. But yeah, we are flat out. Some people there on the banks watching us like we're lunatics. Yeah, are you enjoying it?
So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
Here we go.
Can't believe you love me.
Getting great. Look, my phone.
Alrighty, so we just finished our little green boat excursion, and we got our ice creams. I got a little chocolate chip shortbread. And what did you think of it?
But no, it would have been better if the boats were faster, but then again it's not speedboats.
Yeah, the boats are really slow, but it was good fun. And yeah, definitely recommend. So I hope everybody enjoys the video, and thanks for watching. Please smash that like button and the subscribe button as well, and turn on the bell notification so that you guys get notified of my future uploads. Thanks everyone. Cheers, cheers.